Hello friends, welcome back to VocabBuilder. Our today's word is conundrum. A conundrum is a confusing and difficult problem or question, often without an easy solution. You use the word conundrum when you're talking about a situation that's puzzling or a question that's hard to answer. It's often used in intellectual, ethical, or decision-making contexts. Synonyms: dilemma, puzzle, riddle, mystery. Antonyms: solution, answer, clarity. Let's see some examples. The government faces a conundrum over how to reduce inflation without slowing growth. She was stuck in a moral conundrum. Should she tell the truth or protect her friend? The puzzle posed a real conundrum even for experts. That was conundrum, a powerful word for tough problems and tricky decisions. Now it's your turn. Drop your own sentence using conundrum in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VocabBuilder for more brain-boosting English words every day.